Today is August 21st, so if you know the Tesla stock price fluctuation during the past week, so you will know my predictions in video number 95 are actually fulfilled. For example, including the prediction about $70 of fluctuation, and also the prediction of the increasing trend in the early week and the decreasing trend in the latter of the week. And also there's only $5 of difference in my prediction by comparing my prediction of the weekly high of $943 versus the actual price Tesla weekly high of $948. So there's just a $5 difference for the weekly high of $948. So it's just about 0.5% of prediction error. And the early week high, also there's only $8 of difference. So I will just talk about a little bit of the prediction in details. So if you know this kind of good predictions, you may be curious about what will happen for the next week, or you may just wondering if you could use this type of prediction information and try to help your trading and to maximize your profit or minimize the risk. Or maybe if you don't have any experience in trading, and then it's time to start to learn this type of trend lines and the prediction of the trends. So either way, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Prediction channel or watch more video in YouTube. So let's go to Tesla stock price chart. So this is a Tesla weekly chart, and this is a Tesla daily chart. So that means if it's for example, if it's a daily chart, that means each vertical bar is the 1 day's fluctuation, and if this is a weekly chart, then each vertical bar is the 1 week's fluctuation. And this kind of yellow trend line and the blue trend line are the prediction of the trend lines, or the predicted minimum and maximum price or fluctuation range for the next week or next day, early next day. So this is basically trend lines are calculated based on the Uping prediction model. So in last video number 95, I predicted the early week. The fluctuation range is about $885 to $930. So the actual fluctuation, for example, this is the last Friday, this is the last Monday, and for Monday, and it went from $905 to $938. So there's only $8 of difference in early week. The prediction of this early week of high, so it's about 0.85% of prediction error. And for this weekly prediction, for example, I predicted weekly high will reach up to this yellow trend line. You increase it to this and touch this yellow trend line exactly. Actual weekly high, that's a predicted price is $943 in video number 95, and the actual price is $948. So there's only $5 of difference between the predicted weekly high and the actual weekly high. And even for this weekly low, there's only about maybe like less than $20 of difference. So it's still about 2% of error, prediction error. So if this weekly high is predicted so well, it touches this yellow trend lines and exactly touches this, and the difference between the predicted weekly high and the actual weekly high is just $5 of difference. So if you know this kind of actual fluctuation range of $70, that was exactly predicted in video number 95. And I also predicted in video number 95, I also mentioned it will likely to first go up in early week, and then in the latter of a week it will have a decreasing trend. So it exactly happened in the whole week. So on Monday it opened here, and then it started to increase. So early week, basically, especially in Monday, it increased and also have an increasing trend. And even on Tuesday, and opened a little bit high, and then also have a higher high. So, and then on Wednesday and to Friday, it has a decreasing trend, and then on Friday, it started to decrease, and then decreased to this price, and then started to increase a little bit. We have a little bit of a rebound. So this kind of increasing trend in early week, and also the decreasing trend in the latter of a week, are also predicted in video number 95. So many people will be interested in what will happen for the next week for Tesla. So today is August 21st. So for the next week, for the coming week, August 22nd to August 26th. So the weekly fluctuation range is expected to be in this range. And the weekly low could go down to $852, $852, and the weekly high is expected to reach at about $919 or about $920. So it's in this range, fluctuation range. And for early next week, you see the last Friday it was closed here. It is a little bit below this trend line, and this trend lines are also have a decreasing trend. So early next week is still expected to still have the decreasing momentum and a decreasing trend, and the next week the fluctuation range will be at least between this range, $877 to $890. So that's a typical fluctuation range for early next week, but it also have a possibility to go up to this $906, and so it could be located in this fluctuation range between the $877 and the $906. So for the whole week, so this $852 is one type of support. So if this support can be holded, and it may go down to $822, but the probability of reaching down to this level is relatively low, but it's just has that type of a probability, but possibility will be lower. So there's another possibility, it may just go down to this $860. So depends on how it will open for each day and during next week. So if you are interested in this kind of prediction and analysis, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel or watch more video in YouTube.